So here's the golden northern bumblebee, Bombus fervidus, and she is on our native thistle, Cirsium discolor. The thing about this bee is she's listed on the IUCN, and you get that wrong, on the red list, which means she's in trouble. But she is a beautiful bee, and their numbers have gone down quite a bit. And this is a beautiful plant. Now, this is not your typical invasive species thistle. This is a native thistle. If we look at the undersides of the leaves here, you can see how white they are, and that is indicative of a native species thistle. So the only disadvantage that I find with this plant is that it blooms so late. There's a little skipping butterfly, probably a sachem. It's pretty tame. Let me get close. The bees chase them away. They don't want them on here. There's the golden northern bumblebee again, but all that yellow on her abdomen. So this is a great plant. It's okay for the garden. You know, it doesn't have to be in a pasture or a wild reclaimed area because it's pretty well behaved. It's a biennial, so this plant will die at the end of the season. Um, and then here's a new one coming up next to it, and that is also Cirsium discolor. So that'll bloom like this next summer. It's a nice plant. I think you'd have it in your garden. Cirsium discolor. They call it field thistle, pasture thistle. There's a couple different common names. Cirsium discolor.